Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the red globe on your Verizon router. And it's actually really easy and simple. So first things first, let's go over what this actually means, okay? This basically means that the router is unable to connect to the internet. So how do we actually fix this? So first things first, you want to go to your internet service provider's website and go check for service outage. So if there is a service outage in your area, then you will be notified, and that explains why you have that red globe. So it will not actually work. You won't be able to connect to the internet if the problem is from the internet service provider. And another thing what you can do is you can go ahead and check for any loose cable connections, because that can cause a solid red globe. So avoid that. You just check all the cables, make sure everything is connected correctly, and that should provide you the internet connection. Or what you can do is check if it is actually overheating. So if you see a fast flashing red light on your Verizon router, you just need to touch it to make sure it's actually really overheating. And what you can do is just unplug it, okay, from the power source, and wait for it to cool down before you actually use it again by plugging it back in. And then of course what you can also do is try restarting the Verizon Fios router, okay? Just unplug the router for 30 seconds, replug it, try again. Okay, then you just wait for about 5 minutes for the Verizon router to automatically reset itself, and once done, just check to see if the Fios router red globe issue is fixed. Then of course what we can do is check the router's firmware and see if you need to do any updates. Just log into the router's admin web GUI on your browser, navigate to system settings, go to software updates, and if there's a new firmware version available, just download and install it. And once done, just restart the Verizon router and check if that red globe issue is fixed. Then of course you just want to check the router's hardware and see if everything is correct. If there is a problem with the hardware, then it can cause this issue as well. And last but not least, what you can do is factory reset the Verizon router. Okay, so just log in to the router's web interface, go to advanced settings, go to utilities, click on save and restore, click on factory default, and click on restore configuration. And these should fix the issue, guys. And if you don't know how they have the username and password, just insert a paper clip at the reset pinhole you find at the back of the router, usually at the bottom. Hold it for about 15 seconds, about 30 seconds, and then after a few minutes your router should reboot and restore your connection. So I hope this guide provided value to you. If it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.